For persistent connectivity issues, advanced router configuration is essential. Let's start with optimizing your 5 GHz wireless band settings. These specific channels avoid interference from other devices and provide optimal performance for DirecTV streaming. Next, configure your security settings properly. If you experience frequent disconnections, disable band steering. This prevents your router from automatically switching devices between 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands. Proper port configuration ensures DirecTV services can communicate through your firewall. These specific ports must remain open for optimal functionality. DNS optimization can significantly improve connection reliability. Using fast, reliable DNS servers like Google or Cloudflare reduces lookup delays and connection timeouts. Hardware placement is crucial for stable connectivity. Your DirecTV box needs proper ventilation and optimal positioning relative to your router. For maximum reliability, use a wired Ethernet connection whenever possible. This eliminates Wi-Fi interference and provides consistent bandwidth allocation. Regular maintenance prevents most connectivity issues. Follow this simple schedule to keep your DirecTV system running smoothly. Following these advanced configuration steps and maintenance practices will significantly improve your DirecTV connectivity. Most connection issues can be prevented through proper setup and regular care.